In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud on Android. This will be especially useful for those of you who want to integrate your Apple services with your Android device. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you haven't used this app before, you'll find it pre-installed on most Android devices. It's your gateway to managing emails efficiently on the go. Once you have the Gmail app open, take a moment to locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on your profile picture will reveal a menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select the option that says Add another account. This is a crucial step because it allows you to link your iCloud email with the Gmail app, making it easily accessible. After tapping Add another account, you will be presented with different email account types to choose from. Scroll down and select the option labeled Other. This choice is important because it allows you to manually enter the details of your iCloud account, ensuring that everything is set up correctly. Now, you will need to enter your iCloud email address. Make sure to type in your full email address, ending with @icloud.com. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any login issues later on. With your email address entered, the next step is to input your password. This is where you connect your iCloud account securely with your Android device. If everything is correct, you should be able to proceed without any hitches. However, if you encounter any sign-in failures, don't worry. This is a common issue due to Apple's enhanced security measures. In this case, you'll need to create an app-specific password. To do this, go to your Apple account settings from a web browser. This extra step is important because it adds a layer of security, ensuring that your account remains protected while allowing access from non-Apple devices. Once you've created your app-specific password, return to the Gmail app. Input this new password in place of your regular Apple ID password. This should resolve any sign-in issues you encountered earlier. After entering the app-specific password, continue with the setup process. You should see a confirmation that your iCloud account has been successfully added. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can now access your iCloud emails directly from your Android device. From now on, your iCloud emails will be available just like any other email account you have in the Gmail app. This integration is essential for seamless communication, especially if you use multiple devices. To conclude, using iCloud on Android is not only possible, but it's also straightforward with the right steps. Remember, setting up an app-specific password is a key part of this process. It ensures the security of your Apple account while also granting you the convenience of accessing your iCloud emails on an Android device. With everything set up, you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of having your iCloud emails at your fingertips, no matter where you are or what device you're using. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.